Hello, in this opportunity I'm going to show you as practical skill 12 the weighing powder with an electronic scale. For that I have a list of materials and I have my materials here already. I have a pair of no latex gloves. I have it here. I have a digital scale, my digital scale. I'm going to, it's off right now. I have my pharmacy technician spatula. I have one large weighing boot. One large weighing boot. I have one jar or one bag of base powder. In this case, it's gamma cassia. It's the base powder. And finally, I have the alcohol prep pads to disinfect the old material before I start. I'm going to measure 5 grams and 14 grams. So two measurements. For that, I'm going to don my gloves. Okay. Once I done my gloves, I'm going to clean all my material. Maybe not all, but most of them. I'm not gonna clean this. I'm gonna start with the weighing with the scale machine, like disinfecting, like this. I need to allow it to dry. Unfortunately, the alcohol dries very faster than other kind of disinfecting. So I'm disinfecting the weighing boot, inside and outside. Let it dry. I'm going to use one alcohol prep pad for each for better disinfecting everything, the handle and the spatula. I have here. Once I disinfect everything, I'm always going to disinfect a little bit of the bag. This is the first time I'm gonna use this, but still needs to be disinfected. Okay. We're going to allow that all material is dry. As a second step, I'm going to calculate the minimum weight allowed given at a 10% margin of error. So if I'm going to measure 5 grams, the 5%, the 10% of 5 grams is 0.5. So the margin of error could be 5.5 or 4.95. It's only 0.5. So I have to, as a maximum, it could be 5.5, and as minimum could be 4.5. I'm sorry, it's not 4.95, it's 4.5. And for the 14 grams for the second measurement, the 10% will be 1.4. So my maximum measurement of error, my maximum allowed of margin of error will be 15.4, and the minimum margin of error will be 12.6. 1.4 minus 14, or 1.4 plus 14. So that's how you calculate the margin of error of the 10%. You have to calculate the 10% first of the measurement number, what you are measuring. So we're going to start. In this case, I'm going to on the scale. Actually, I have it in 0. Once I put the boot is 3.5. I'm going to put this in 0, so it's ready to measure the powder. I'm going to add the 5 grams of powder, as maximum 5.5, and as minimum of 4.5. I have 2, I have 3, I have 4.4, it's closer. I have 4.9. I tried to a little bit more. Sorry, something went wrong. My scale, it turns off. I have to do it again since my scale turned off. Sorry for that. I'm going to empty everything. Now it's in 0. Now I'm going to do it faster before my scale it turns off again. 4.7, 5.1, 5.1. So we have not exactly 5, but it's 5.1. Without the weighing of the boot. 5.1 and could be 5.5 as maximum. So this is the first measurement. I'm going to empty the weighing boot. And we're going to clean a little bit. Since I did a little mess here with the powder. It's gonna dry. One more time, this is empty. We're going to measure the next 14 grams. 3.6 is the weight of the boot. I'm going to put this in 0. And I'm going to put 14 grams or 15.4 as maximum, or 12.6 as minimum. I have it 11.1 now, 12, 13.1, closer to 14, the closer number to 14. I have 14.3. I'm going to take a little bit more. Could be 14.3 because it's closer to 14. It's the closer number to 14. I'm not gonna take or add any more. So you can see here I have 14.3. So I'm going to put back the powder to the bag. Sorry for the little mess here. It's not comfortable working with this little bag. And I need to clean this mess. I'm going to clean one more time all the materials what I used to save all these materials for the next measurement. I'm going to use one more time the alcohol pads for that. It's completely clean. The spatula. It needs to be completely clean. It's clean. It's clean. This bag. The weighing boot also. I assume that this is discardable, but step, we're going to clean it. Clean and disinfect it. Also, a little bit the bag of the base powder, a little bit on the outside. And finally, I have to take my gloves off. This is discardable, absolutely. And one more time. Okay, my indication says repeat the step 3 to 8 using the weighing boot to measure 14 grams of powder. So it's basically the same procedure. Putting on the scale, putting on the weighing boot. The weighing boot is 3.7, and turn this to 0. That is the tear adjustment. And after that, I need to add the powder until I reach the closest number to 14. If it's not exactly, there is a rule to follow, which is the 10%. The 10% of 14 is 1.4, so could be 15.4 or 12.6. Between that numbers, it's okay. The measurement is okay. But one more time, always closer to 14. Could be 13.5, could be 13.8, 14 exactly, better, 14.5, 15, but no more than 15.4. The maximum allowed rule is 14.4, and the minimum is 12.6. One more time, thank you for watching this skill. Thank you for watching this skill, and see you next video.